Within the first year of operation, this store has achieved a six-figure milestone by selling AI-generated digital download art. It's essential to clarify that this figure refers to revenue, not profit. I previously discussed a similar side hustle at the beginning of the past year, and since then, significant developments have occurred. With new versions of MidJoureny recently released, and considering that this business model remains largely untapped, the beginning of the new year presents an ideal opportunity to delve into the details of leveraging AI tools to create visually stunning digital art for online sales. What makes this business appealing is that it can be initiated from any location worldwide with just a $10 investment. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Process overview. The process is straightforward. We initiate by creating the image using an AI image generator called MidJoureny. This tool transforms a text prompt, essentially a sentence describing the desired image, into a usable and marketable piece of artwork entirely from scratch. By refining our prompts, we aim to generate the highest quality images. Once the image is ready, we can craft an attractive listing and post it online for sale. The beauty of this side hustle lies in the fact that AI handles the majority of the work, making it an efficient venture. Monetization and potential profit. Before diving into creating numerous artworks, it's crucial to understand what types of artworks sell and the potential profit in this business model. Examining a successful shop named Antique White Art, which specializes in aesthetically pleasing painting styles as digital downloads, reveals a consistent theme of rustic, moody, vintage styles with monotone colors. The professionalism and uniformity of their listings, combined with the seller's familiarity with AI generators, have enabled them to create over 600 artwork listings and achieve over 31,000 sales, surpassing six figures in their first year of operation. Another example is a shop that echoes a similar vibe, selling moody, antique, vintage-style painting prints. They maintain a consistent look across their listings, selling their artwork for slightly over $3 each. With over 377,000 sales in 4 years, this shop has generated well over $1.3 million, averaging more than $33,000 a month in revenue since its inception in August of 2020. Notably, their costs are minimal, primarily comprising Etsy fees. A third shop, Lexington Prints, opened only 4 months ago, specializing in AI-generated art. Despite its brief existence, it has already garnered over 14,000 sales, translating to nearly $10,000 per month in revenue within its first 4 months. These examples demonstrate the potential profitability of this straightforward business model, where downloadable artwork serves as the primary product. To validate these claims, you can independently verify the numbers and assess whether this venture aligns with your interests and goals. Product exploration. As we explore successful shops that we wish to emulate, it's crucial to move beyond creating arbitrary images and focus on understanding the types of images that have market demand. Conducting thorough research is key to avoiding time wastage. When we come across a shop selling digital download artwork, we can navigate to the bottom of the page and explore their reviews section. By filtering reviews based on the most recent, we gain insights into what customers are buying and appreciating enough to leave reviews. Examining these successful listings, we can identify bestsellers, review counts, and the visual style of the artwork. While it's essential not to replicate listings to avoid legal issues, we can draw inspiration from successful concepts for our own art. Another approach to research involves using shop analyzer tools like Aura to assess successful digital download art shops. This enables us to filter out their top listings and gather concepts for the art we aim to sell in our own shop. Setting up and organizing. To access MidJoureny, visit their website and click on Join the Beta. This prompts you to join their Discord server, where image creation takes place. A Discord account is necessary, but it's free. While you can initially use MidJoureny for free to understand its functionality, opting for a paid plan, starting at $10 per month, with commercial rights is crucial for selling the images. To enhance organization on Discord, create a personal server and add MidJoureny to it, allowing you to generate images privately without viewing others' creations. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Crafting sellable images. Initiating image creation involves typing /imagine in the chat box section, followed by entering a prompt. For instance, a prompt could be an image of a hillside filled with wheat and flowers. Adding commands like A/A 4x3 will adjust the aspect ratio. Upon hitting enter, the AI generates an image with multiple variations, offering options to re-roll, create more variations, or upscale the image. While the basics are covered, further customization can optimize the art for selling. By accessing the Settings page, /settings, users can choose the model. For example, version 5.2, adjust stylization for a desired level of flair, and select RAW mode for a more realistic outcome. Copying successful prompts from MidJourney's Explore page can also be a strategic approach, ensuring alignment with proven styles that sell well. Optimal image strategy. Now, the third approach is the most advanced, yet it yields superior results. It starts by locating a public domain image that aligns with the same vibe or concept we aim to create. I utilize a platform called Raw Pixel, offering an extensive collection of free public domain images. When I find a suitable image, like one depicting a lady picking from a tree, I capture a screenshot or download it. Back in MidJourney, I use the /describe command to upload the image. This command essentially reverse engineers the image into prompts, enabling the creation of more similar images. What makes this strategy powerful is that instead of merely generating prompts, I right-click on the uploaded image, copy the link, and paste it at the beginning of a new prompt. This leverages the original image as a starting canvas for generating a new one. The results are consistently closer and more realistic. Once a visually appealing image is achieved, I upscale it, providing additional controls for finalization. This process goes beyond the surface, allowing me to use AI for various creations, from snowy winter trees to rustic rocky mountains and sailboats. Before we can monetize the artwork, we need two things: resizing it into popular aspect ratios and creating compelling mock-ups to enhance professionalism and quality. Adjusting image size. Resizing the artwork can be done using several free methods. For instance, in Preview on a Mac, I can edit the image, select the crop tool, set the desired aspect ratio, and ensure a resolution of 300 dpi before saving. Repeat this for various aspect ratios. This ensures flexibility for users to utilize the artwork as they wish. Preparing for sale on Etsy. Now equipped with the artwork, the next step is to post it for sale. Etsy emerges as a prime choice due to its extensive monthly visitor count. Following a quick guide can get the shop opened in under 10 minutes. The first 40 listings are free, with subsequent ones costing 20 cents each, prior to listing for sale. Before posting the artwork, it's crucial to grasp a vital rule observed by successful shops: presenting artwork in professional mock-ups. This enhances the likelihood of sales. Using MidJourney, the same three strategies used for testing prompts, exploring MidJourney's website, and using the describe image prompts can be applied to create professional mock-ups. Creating a PDF. Finally, to upload images to Etsy, they need to be converted into PDF files. Given their size, uploading them to platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox is necessary. A thank you letter with a download link to the file is then created. Customers download the PDF to access various aspect ratios. Scaling to 6 and 7 figures. For scaling the business to 6 and 7 figures, beyond digital downloads, some customers prefer purchasing physical prints. Utilizing print-on-demand services like Printify allows for easy integration with Etsy. The premium plan, although optional, offers cost benefits. I've partnered with Printify to offer you a great discount. Link below in the description. Creating separate shops for digital and physical products is recommended for streamlined management. This comprehensive strategy positions individuals to explore the full potential of selling digital and physical art online. Don't hesitate to take the first steps towards turning this business into a reality. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.